Then you say, can you, now you have to insert the task. Can you do a marketing plan? Task, marketing plan. Can you do a strategy simulation? How do you do the prompt?
So the introduction, the title itself is like very interesting. The title it states is Unlocking Success, Addressing Communication and Financial Governance Challenges at Byju's.
So let me ask this question. How many of you use only case method in your course?
I'm teaching the course on basic corporate finance as such, but it has got roots into other courses as well.
Right.
So that becomes even more difficult for me. So one way is we have to write our own cases for that particular topic. So that is actually going to be the reason I'm here.
There are two different aspects: research, publishing a journal article, that is one track, and publishing a teaching case study, it is a different track. And if you want to leverage the expertise from one onto the other, spotting that opportunity, as I said, is extremely important. So I could spot an opportunity in the case of TCS.